Hello guys, my name is Airidas Kristukas, and in this video I will show you how to update your WordPress blog feedback form and live to the next level. Stay tuned!
In this video, I wanted to talk about the blog post review section. This one, which one you are seeing. This one is as a standard, and if you create a blog, you enable review option, what you're gonna get. This is good, but we can make even better. Let's go here and I'm gonna show you how to have this kind of review where you have a more option. You can pick quality, price, or any. You can make requirements, and then what is pro and what is concerns, and you can upload image and even video. Obviously, with the pro version you can do, with the standard version you can't do video, and you have to log in if you wanted to make a review. Let's go and do it. I come to my WordPress website. Let's go to our dashboard. You need to add new and search for the plugin schema review. So is this one. As you can see, I already downloaded and installed by the Radius team, and it's active on my WordPress website. After you download it, you're gonna go in your review schema, and then you can add new one. And then you can select for what, let's say for the post, and select the post criteria. You can have a one line or you can pick few lines, and here it's gonna be quality, price, and service as per default, but then you can change for what you want. Let's say interest. And then length of blog, we're gonna leave it just 2, so we're just gonna delete. Go to the settings, and here you can basically enable or disable review title. In this one, I'm just gonna change to leave feedback about this, allow image, allow video, allow pros and cons, free. We can highlight review, sticky review, social share, allow to dislike, allow to anonymous review, and filters, top rated, lowest rated, latest, and oldest. Here if you want to add somewhere else, and then style if you want to adjust the style. So we done it, and publish. And then let's go to our page and refresh, and you can see leave feedback about this. And then interest you can select length, what you like about this page. You can write something I like. In here I don't like, let's say. You can choose an image or upload even video. And there is the option review anonymously and submit review, or you need to write something I like about and submit. And then if you would scroll and someone would look, they would see this one. And this is hand. If someone don't like this review, we can just press don't like or like. And here is the filter. You can basically filter by the stars and the latest, top, oldest. I think this plugin is brilliant.
I would love to hear what you think about the content. Just drop the comment below and share your thoughts. If you get any benefit, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and bye bye to the next time.